always playing dolls. Their favorite is Barbie. They don't like the bears at all, hardly have a party. Someone who can dance the part so they can play Prince Charming. That's the kind of toy they want. Then they forgot this ain't Build-A-Bear.
Our planet's diverse ecosystem may seem like permanent features, but they are vulnerable to collapse. Jungles can become desert, reefs can become lifeless rocks. What makes an ecosystem strong and another weak in the face of changes is biodiversity. Biodiversity comes from the word bio, means life, and diversitas means variety or variety of life. Biodiversity is defined as the vast variety of life forms in the entire Earth. It encompasses all kinds of life forms from the single-celled organisms to the largest multi-celled organisms. Biodiversity is the variability among living organisms from all sources, including terrestrial, marine, and other aquatic ecosystems and the ecological complexes of which they are part. This includes diversity within species, between species, and of ecosystems. Biodiversity is a source of the essential goods and ecological services that constitute the source of life for all, and it has direct consumptive value in food, agriculture, medicine, and in industry. Understanding biodiversity within the concept of ecosystem needs a thorough study on the relationship of the biotic and the abiotic factors. Biotic factors are ones that considered alive or living organism such as animal or large tree or smallest single bacteria. Abiotic are considered non-living factors in an ecosystem like fire, water, air, ice, sunlight, temperature, and rocks. Ecosystem is the interaction between biotic and abiotic factors in an area. Let us identify the biotic factors in the picture. The biotic factors are fish, trees, and plants. The abiotic factors would include sunlight, sun, clouds, and water. People will always depend on biodiversity on the wholeness of our being and in our everyday lives. More so, our health will ultimately depend upon the product and services that we acquire from the ecosystem. Somehow, there are ways and processes in the ecosystem that are not apparent nor appreciated by us, human beings. Think about the need to drink clean and fresh water, the need to eat healthy vegetables and food, or the need of man to transport, which makes him rely on fuel. All of these are human needs that are answered and provided by our ecosystem. Thus, if we fail to keep the process of taking care of the ecosystem, it is us who are actually putting our lives at risk. Significant decline in biodiversity has direct human impact when ecosystem in its insufficiency can no longer provide the physical as well as social needs of human beings. Indirectly, changes in the ecosystem affect livelihood, income, and on occasion may even cause political conflict.